IBMasters Learning Center at IBMasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 2, Section 3, number 5, which reads, if k is greater than 0 and x equals 7 in the equation above, what is the value of k? Square root problems. Never do them algebraically. Why do you ask? Well, sometimes you get extraneous solutions. This is not an example of the type of question where you get extraneous solutions, but if you get an extraneous solution, you got to plug back in. It's so easy to forget to plug back in those extraneous solutions. So if your answer choices are numbers anyway, you might as well plug them in right off the bat. So that's how I'm going to recommend you just do all square root questions. So where are we going to start with here? Let's start with answer choice B. We want to start with one of the middle ones because if I start with answer choice B, there's actually a 50-50 chance that it's the one and only answer choice I have to test out for. How's that, you ask? Well, there's 1 in 4 chance it's correct. There's also 1 in 4 chance that it's too big, and if it's too big, I know it's A, and if it's correct, I know it's B. But even if it's wrong because it's too small, then I can eliminate A and B, and either I test C and it works, or it's too small and I know it's D, or I test D and it works, or it's too big and I know it's C. So let's write it down. We've got the square root of 2, and it's asking for K, and like we said, we're going to check answer choice B, so we're putting 3 in place. I'm going to put a B over here so you keep track of which answer choice we're checking for. Squared plus 17. Extend that root a little bit. And then minus, it tells you here that your x is 7. Minus 7 equals 0. Square root of 2 times 9 plus 17 minus 7 equals 0. Square root of 18 plus 17 minus 7 equals 0. Square root of 35 minus 7 equals 0. Now you might know that the square root of 35 it's a little bit smaller than 6. So let's say it's like 5.9 minus 7 equals 0. Either way, you know that it's too small. So I can eliminate A and B. By the way, you'll never have an imperfect square under a root for SAT either. So now let's test out answer choice C. Now we've got the square root of 2. It's asking for the value of k, so I'm going to put the 4 in place of k if I'm testing out answer choice C here. 2 times 4 squared plus 17 minus, and then up top it tells you that your x is 7. Minus 7 equals 0. Square root of 2. Remember PEMDAS, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, parentheses first. Now within the root, you've got an exponent first, so we're going to do that first. 16 plus 17 minus 7 equals 0. And we get the square root of 32 plus 17 minus 7 equals 0. And you get the square root of 49 minus 7 equals 0. And well, the square root of 49, what is it? 7 minus 7, it does equal 0. That is your correct answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with square root questions. Is there any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT? Leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.
Have a great day.